Let's be real. Nothing messes with a woman's mind more than realizing she lost a man she didn't value. Not because she loved him deeply, but because she underestimated him. She thought he'd always be there, waiting, chasing, proving his worth. But when that same man stops caring, stops reacting, and starts walking with quiet confidence, that's when the tables turn. See, here's the uncomfortable truth most men don't want to hear. A woman doesn't truly feel the loss when you're gone. She feels it when you've moved on, when your energy shifts, when the man who once begged for her attention suddenly seems unavailable. That's when it stings. That's when it hurts. Most men try to win her back by doing more texts, more calls, more chasing, more. But every time you do that, you teach her one thing. You need her approval to feel worthy. And once she senses that, the attraction dies. Not because she's cruel, but because women are wired to respect strength, not neediness. The irony? The moment you stop caring whether she values you or not is the moment she starts questioning herself. She'll ask, wait, why isn't he chasing anymore? Did he meet someone else? Did I lose him for good? That confusion, that sudden insecurity, is what truly hurts her. Not your absence, but your emotional detachment. When a woman doesn't value you, she expects you to stay predictable, loyal to your feelings, even when she gives you nothing back. But when you detach, when you level up, when you reclaim your peace, you break her expectations. And trust me, breaking a woman's expectations hurts her far more than any breakup ever could. This isn't about revenge, it's about self respect. It's about understanding that your time, your presence, your attention, they're valuable currencies. If she can't see that, you don't beg her to notice. You let your absence teach the lesson your words never could. Because here's the paradox: the same woman who ignored you, took you for granted, or played games will eventually start to miss the version of you she thought would always be available. But that version of you no longer exists. You've grown, evolved, and learned to prioritize yourself. And that's what really hurts her. Not losing you, but realizing she can't reach you anymore. So, in this video, we're going to break down exactly what happens when a woman doesn't value you, and why your silence, your growth, and your emotional control hurt her far more than any words ever could. 1. She only misses you when you stop caring. Attention is her addiction. Take it away. 3. Your silence says what words never could. The new you is the one she can't control. 1. She only misses you when you stop caring. A woman doesn't miss your presence. She misses your attention. That's the truth most men don't want to face. You can be around her every day, texting, calling, trying to make her happy, and still be invisible to her. Why? Because when you care too much, she stops having to. When you're always available, always chasing, always proving, you create no contrast. There's no mystery, no tension, no challenge. And women are wired to respond to contrast, to the feeling of, I might lose him. When she knows you'll never walk away, she relaxes, but not in a good way. She relaxes into boredom. You see, emotional impact comes from scarcity, not abundance. When your time, energy, and attention are rare, they become valuable. But when you hand them out constantly, they lose meaning. The more you chase, the less she values you. The less you care, the more she starts to wonder. That's why so many men are shocked when a woman suddenly becomes interested again the moment they pull back. It's not magic, so it's psychology. When she feels your energy slipping away, when she senses that her influence over you is fading, her ego panics. Suddenly, she remembers your worth. Not because she sees your soul, but because she feels the loss of control. Let's make it real. There's this guy who spent months trying to impress a woman, texting her good morning every day, liking all her posts, offering to take her out. She barely replied, gave him short answers, and always had plans. One day, he just stopped. No message, no reaction, no explanation. A week later, she texted, "Hey, where have you been?" She didn't miss him. She missed the attention, the validation, the energy that used to revolve around her. The second it disappeared, she felt the void. That's when she started to chase. And here's the real lesson: when you stop caring, you don't lose power, you reclaim it. Claim You stop trying to earn her interest and start demanding respect through your absence. You remind her that your time is not guaranteed. The man who doesn't care is not heartless. He's focused. He's done begging to be seen. He's done performing for someone who took his presence for granted. And that calm indifference, that quiet strength, is exactly what draws her back. So stop trying to make her miss you with effort. Make her miss you with silence. Let her feel what life is like without your energy feeding her ego. That's when she realizes what she's truly lost. Not your attention, but the kind of man who was willing to give it. 2. Attention is her addiction. Take it away. Let's get one thing straight. A woman doesn't need your attention. She feeds on it. Attention is the currency of her confidence. It's what tells her, I'm desired. I still have control. And the more you give it freely, the more she takes it for granted. Just like a drug that loses its effect over time. When you constantly validate her, liking her photos, replying instantly, double texting when she doesn't answer, you're not connecting. You're feeding her ego. You're giving her a hit of dopamine. She gets that rush of knowing she's still in control of your emotions. She knows she can ignore you and you'll still be there waiting. And once she learns that pattern, she stops respecting you. Why? Because a man who can't control his attention can't control himself. And women are drawn to men who are centered, not desperate for validation, not emotionally dependent on a reply or a reaction. Attention is power, and the one who controls it controls the dynamic. When you keep giving it away to someone who doesn't value you, you're teaching her how little your time is worth. But when you pull it back, and when you stop chasing, stop reacting, stop giving her that steady stream of energy, something strange happens. She starts to chase you. Here's the catch. She's not necessarily chasing because she's in love. She's chasing to get the feeling back. The attention withdrawal hits her like a craving. She starts asking herself, why isn't he looking at my stories anymore? Did he lose interest? Did he move on? He move? That uncertainty fuels attraction more than any compliment ever could. Picture this. A guy used to reply instantly to every text from this woman he liked. She'd leave him on read half the time. Then one week, he stopped. No texts, no likes, no comments. He was still living his life. Gym, work, hanging out with friends. But his energy was elsewhere. Suddenly, she starts posting more, tagging places he likes, even messaging him first. Not because she suddenly fell in love, but because her supply was cut off. That's the psychology of attention. The one who gives the most loses control. The one who withholds it creates desire. So stop handing out your focus like free samples. Let her earn it. Let your attention mean something again. When you take it away, you force her to confront the silence, and that silence makes her realize just how addicted she was to being noticed by you. The real power isn't in chasing her, it's in mastering yourself. Because when you control where your attention goes, you control how the game ends. 3. Your silence says what words never could. Sometimes the most powerful move isn't what you say, it's what you don't say. When a man over-explains, over-apologizes, or constantly tries to justify his feelings, he loses impact. Words can be ignored. Actions, presence, and especially silence, those speak louder than anything you could text or tell her. Silence is a statement. It tells a woman that you are not dependent on her approval, that you are grounded, calm, and confident in your own life. When you stop reacting to her games, stop answering instantly, stop giving emotional energy away for free, she starts noticing. Not just noticing, but questioning. She wonders what changed. And that uncertainty is magnetic. Think about how human psychology works. People value what they feel they might lose. The more you talk, explain, or chase, the more she assumes she has your attention on demand. But when you withdraw, when your energy is quiet and steady elsewhere, she feels a shift. She senses that she can't control you like she used to. That subtle absence ignites curiosity, desire, and sometimes even respect she never had before. Silence also shows that you have standards, that your presence is not a given. It communicates self-respect, and self-respect is attractive. Women are drawn to men who know their worth and refuse to compromise it for validation. The beauty of silence is that it's not aggressive, it's not manipulative, it's simply being, existing without letting her energy dictate your mood, your actions, or your focus. When a woman sees a man who doesn't react to her emotional tests, who doesn't chase, who doesn't beg for attention, she starts to reflect. She asks herself questions she wouldn't if you were constantly available. It's natural to want to fill gaps with words, to justify, explain, or chase. But that only signals neediness. True power lies in calm restraint. Your silence carries weight because it shows that your happiness and focus are independent of her reactions. That alone teaches her the value of your presence, without you having to say a single word. Silence communicates clarity, strength, and self possession. And the reality is simple. A woman who doesn't value you will start to notice that silence more than anything else you could have said. 4. The new you is the one she can't control. Here's a hard truth most men refuse to admit. If she's not valuing you, it's often because you've allowed it. You've made yourself predictable, available, and too easy to manipulate. You've tolerated disrespect, ignored red flags, and tried to earn her attention instead of demanding it through your presence and boundaries. Wake up. This isn't about blaming her, it's about holding yourself accountable. Attraction doesn't come from begging, over-explaining, or bending your life around her mood. Real respect comes when you show you can live fully without her approval. The woman who once controlled your energy now sees a different man. A man who doesn't bend, doesn't chase, doesn't compromise his peace for her validation. This is the new you, stronger, calmer, emotionally independent. And here's the thing, she can't control this version of you. She can't predict your reactions, can't manipulate your attention, and can't force you into her games. Men, listen carefully. This is where most of you fail. You think showing patience, kindness, or loyalty means being weak. You confuse self-respect with arrogance. The reality is the opposite. Being hard to control doesn't make you cold, and it makes you valuable. It makes her question her choices, her priorities, and her behavior toward you. The new you doesn't overreact to her texts, doesn't chase validation, and doesn't let small slights disrupt your peace. You focus on your life, your goals, your growth. You become unavailable not out of spite, but out of self-respect. And the result? She notices. Slowly, subtly. She realizes she can't have the old version of you anymore. The one who would always bend, always answer, always wait. This is your wake-up call. Stop giving yourself away to someone who doesn't see your worth. Stop acting like availability equals love or interest. Stop letting her control your emotions. Start valuing your time, your energy, your attention. Stand firm, be calm, be present in your own life first, because here's the ultimate truth. She doesn't respect the man who gives everything freely, but she can't resist the man who refuses to be controlled. The new you, disciplined, confident, independent, is the man she didn't realize she was missing. And when she does, she'll regret the time she spent undervaluing you. So don't wait for her to change. Wake up, take control of your life, and embody the version of yourself she can't manipulate. That's where real power, respect, and attraction live. Here's the brutal truth I want every man watching this to understand. Women only respect what they can't control. And if she doesn't value you, it's because you let her. That's not harsh judgment, it's reality. Most men are blind to this because they've been taught to please, to chase, to overgive in the name of love. And the result? They become invisible, unnoticed, and undervalued. Think about it. All those times you stayed up texting, waiting for a reply, or adjusting your life for someone who barely noticed your presence. What did it really get you? Pain, frustration, and doubt. And the worst part? She likely never even thought twice about it. That's the controversial part. Being too available kills attraction every single time. Harsh? Yes. True? Absolutely. But here's the flip side. When you stop giving her control over your emotions, when you stop over-explaining, when you start living for yourself first, everything changes. Silence, independence, and calm confidence hit harder than any text, gift, or promise ever could. Suddenly, the woman who ignored you begins to notice. Not your words, not your efforts, but the man you've become. The man she can't manipulate, can't predict, can't control. And this is where most men fail again. They don't realize that attraction is created by presence and absence, not by endless attention. The new you isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle. You wake up for yourself, prioritize your growth, and stop letting validation come from anyone else. And the beautiful part? That energy is magnetic. Women can't resist it. Respect follows strength, interest follows independence. I want you to take a moment and reflect on your experiences. Have you ever been the man who gave too much and got too little? Have you noticed her attention only shifting when you stepped away? Comment down below. I want to hear your story. I read every single comment, and I personally reach out to those who are serious about taking control of their lives. I want to connect with you, guide you, and help you see the version of yourself that commands respect without begging for it. Because here's the final truth that most men will never admit to themselves: she won't value you until you value yourself first. Everything else, her words, her attention, her interest, is secondary. Stop waiting for validation. Stop playing by her rules. Start living by yours. Be the man who can't be controlled, who doesn't beg, and who doesn't apologize for his worth. And when you do that, watch how everything changes. Not just how she treats you, but how you feel about yourself. Confidence, respect, and freedom aren't given. They're earned, and the moment you claim them, she can't ignore it. So, comment below, share your experiences, and let's start a conversation. I'll personally reach out to connect with you because your growth is my priority. This isn't just a video, it's a wake-up call. And if you take it seriously, your life and your relationships will never be the same again.